Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies low budget. Start by checking your pantry and planning a simple recipe that uses staple ingredients only. Swap partial butter for oil, choose store brands, and scale recipes to bake larger batches for savings. I will walk through mixing, portioning, and baking tips that keep flavor while trimming costs, plus easy ways to customize without spending extra money. Look for small swaps that save money without sacrificing taste, such as mixing sugars and using chopped chocolate bars instead of chips. Adding oats or a few nuts can stretch the dough while enhancing texture, and using vanilla extract sparingly keeps flavor balanced. I will guide you on quantities and timing so your cookies bake evenly and taste great, showing how tiny changes add up to big savings over multiple batches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more budget baking guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your commute smelling great and your mood bright while you bake. It's a small, fun pick that pairs oddly well with cookie aroma tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Batch baking is key to lowering cost per cookie, so prepare double or triple batches and freeze dough scoops for later. Portioning with a tablespoon or scoop ensures even baking and reduces waste, and running multiple trays when feasible saves energy overall. I will share cooling and storage tips to maintain freshness, plus reheating methods that revive frozen cookies so each treat tastes freshly baked without extra effort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.